Stop hiding your feet. This simple soak destroys fungus and eliminates odor instantly. It's powerful enough to help tackle even decades-long nail fungus that just won't go away. Here is the recipe. Take 3 tablespoons of oregano powder. Then add 1 cup of water. Boil for 5 minutes to extract the oils. Then strain it. Add a splash of white vinegar and pour it into a bowl big enough for both feet. Now, the secret ingredient, baking soda. Don't just pour it on and massage it in. This exfoliates the buildup while the oregano fights the root cause. Do this twice a week. Stop hiding your feet and start healing them tonight.